Today, we're going to learn a new grapheme for the E sound. We've already learnt this grapheme. This way of writing the E sound is usually in the middle of words, like sheep, and sometimes at the end of words, like in B. See if you can read these words. What does this first word say? Did you blend the sounds together? Sh, e, t. Sheet. Very good. What about this one? That's right. H, e, t. Heat. Brilliant. Can you see the different ways of writing the same sound? Now let's look at segmenting. Let's make a word using the E sound. Pea. One of my favourite vegetables, pea. What two sounds are in pea? That's right. Now, which graphemes do we need? It's a tricky one, because either of those graphemes could be at the end of a word. I think it's this one. This one is usually at the end of words. P, E. That's right. Brilliant. Here's a quick caption before we go. Can you read it? A sheep fell asleep on the beach. Did you spot the new E grapheme?
Find the pictures which end with the sound A.